Welcome to my honest review of Laravel, one of the most popular PHP frameworks for web development. Laravel has been around for quite a while now, and it has gained a solid reputation for its elegant syntax and powerful features. In this video, I'll take you through my personal experience using Laravel and break down its key strengths and potential drawbacks. Whether you're new to Laravel or considering it for your next project, this review will provide valuable insights. Let's start with the setup process. Laravel offers a relatively easy installation, especially if you're already familiar with Composer, PHP's dependency manager. You can get Laravel up and running in no time with a simple Composer create project command. It also comes with a built-in development server, which makes testing your application easy right out of the box. One of the standout features of Laravel is its routing system. It's simple to define routes, making it intuitive for developers to manage how users interact with the application. The routing is also highly customizable, allowing you to set up route groups, middleware, and more. This is something you won't see in many other PHP frameworks. Another feature worth mentioning is Laravel's Blade templating engine. Blade allows you to work with PHP code seamlessly within your views, but with an elegant and clean syntax. This reduces the clutter and makes your code more readable, which is a huge plus for teams or when working on large projects. When it comes to database management, Laravel shines with its Eloquent ORM. Eloquent makes working with databases incredibly easy, allowing you to interact with your database using PHP syntax instead of writing raw SQL queries. You can perform common operations like creating, updating, and deleting records in just a few lines of code. Eloquent also supports relationships, meaning you can set up and manage complex data relationships effortlessly. Many developers also love Laravel's built-in authentication system. With just a few lines of code, you can implement features like user login, registration, and password resets. This can save you hours of work compared to rolling out your own authentication system from scratch. Many useful links can be found in the description below, so make sure to check them out after you finish watching the video. Now, while Laravel offers a lot of powerful features, it's not without its challenges. Some developers find that Laravel can be a bit too magical, meaning some parts of the framework abstract away too much, making debugging or understanding what's going on behind the scenes more difficult. That said, Laravel's large community and excellent documentation can often help clear things up. In terms of performance, Laravel may not be as fast as some other PHP frameworks, particularly in high-traffic applications. However, Laravel provides many optimization tools, such as caching, queuing, and route caching, which can help speed things up in production environments. Overall, Laravel is an excellent choice for web development. It offers a lot of functionality out of the box, is highly customizable, and has a supportive community. If you're planning to build scalable, maintainable web applications, Laravel is certainly worth considering. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tutorials.